So yesterday we're driving on the highway and I hit the brakes and the car pulled hard left. So I looked down at the gauges in the Acura and it was telling me that the right rear tire was down to about 30 pounds. I usually run about 45-50 pounds to get more life out of those tires. And I immediately stopped. We checked out the tire and we found that there was a screw on the tire. It's not on the sidewall, so that's the good news because we can plug it, see if it holds air, and get back on the road. Here's my plug kit. I'm not gonna bother moving the wheel off. I'm just gonna lift it up with the jack from the RV. There's an airport right behind those trees right there. This is like heaven for me. Get this guy ready first so that we're not messing with it after. Just like that. You're really in there. There we go. I got the file ready. Come on out. Boy, that guy was really close to the sidewall there. Oh, you little bastard. Why didn't you stay in there? This is way easier when the tire is standing up and you can push straight down and back up. But I'm not doing it. That might do the trick. At this point, the road should probably grind it down so that it's even with the rest of the tire. Yeah, I almost forgot. Gotta put air in the tire first so that we can see if it holds. Little step that I forget about sometimes. Tire's done. We're ready to go, Max. What's mommy doing?
Doing exercises.
I was doing exercises too. I'm sweating. Creeping up on 30. And I say to myself, what a wonderful 99 bottles of beer on the wall, 99 bottles of beer. If one of those bottles would happen to fall, 98 bottles of beer on the wall, 16 bottles of beer on the wall, 16 bottles of beer, 2 bottles of beer on the wall, 2 bottles of beer. If one of those bottles would happen to fall, how many bottles do we have at all? Still not done. We're creeping up on 40 pounds. So close. I think we made it. 47.5. I brought it down to 45 to match the front tire. Drive about 20 minutes, test it again, see if it's holding the same amount of air. If not, maybe we need a new tire. Time to check the tire, see if the tire pressure is okay. The gauge inside the Acura is telling me that it looks just fine. And we got a cool view over here. Parked right on the beach. Skyway Bridge, just south of St. Petersburg. I guess you could boondock here overnight. I see quite a few RVs around. There's one right over here right behind me. There's one on the other side. And there's actually more beach area on the opposite side. And there's also some RVs there. If we can boondock here overnight, then we'll probably stay here for the night. This is a great spot. But that being said, time to check the tire. 47 PSI. So it's a little bit higher than the 45 that we left it at, but that's because the tire heats up. So it's holding up. Let me know down in the comments below if you do it any differently than I did. If I did something wrong, tell me. If I did something right, tell me, so that I can learn. Till next time, you can live more if you debt less.